I have my 10-year high school reunion today, and that's where I'm headed to. Kind of nervous about it, in a sense of like, there's some people that I don't really care to see, and there's people that I haven't seen in a while that I want to see and talk to. But like my good high school friends, most of them aren't going. So it's like a weird mindset I guess I'm in. But I don't know. I think it'll be okay. I think I'm thinking way too much over it, and I'm excited to see like Sam and Sierra, and I don't know who else, maybe Mitchell. Should be interesting. I think the reason that I'm nervous is, unlike Frisbee, I know most of the people in the Frisbee community. I mean, it took me a while, but like I got to know a good majority of people. And in high school, I only knew like a handful of people my freshman year, and like the baseball guys. And then only until toward junior year, senior year is when I started becoming like more friends with people in my grade. So not really, other than my like high school like friends, like the people I play fantasy football with, I don't really know them super well, other than like some baseball guys. So I think it'll be interesting in that sense of meeting new people, but also not really meeting new people because I know who they are. I just wasn't super popular in high school per se. So yeah, I'm on the way now. We're going to some bar off South Congress, so should be cool. There's a bar tab. We'll see what happens. I just got to the parking garage. I told James and Shagan I was going to my high school reunion, and these rats continue to say it's a date with this girl that I obviously is not a thing, and it's so stupid, and they're clowns, but I guess that's why we're friends, is because we give each other a bunch of shit.
I'm great, dude. I haven't even made it in. I just keep saying hi to everybody out here. I should have been in like 10 minutes ago.
No, I didn't.
How are you doing? Yeah.
I just got back. It's like 1 in the morning. But so the high school reunion was kind of cool. I think I not hyped it up, but thought it would be a lot worse than it was. But no, it was cool seeing some people I hadn't seen in forever. I mean, there were obviously people there that said hi, but you could tell like they were pretty dismissive, or like didn't really care to like talk to me, which is like whatever, fine. Yeah, the small talk is kind of annoying after a while when you repeat yourself, I don't know, 15 times in a day or in a night. Overall, it was good. It was cool. Most people look the same. We'll see if I keep in touch with some of the people I hung out with. Hopefully I do, but I mean, it takes two to tango, so till tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to CSTAT for A&M-UT, hang out with Wiley and some of the OG Westlake boys, and then hopefully watch the UT A&M game, even though I don't really care who wins, but apparently it's a big deal. So there's that. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want peace, get the animal fries. Put her on